jungle will belong to me.
This is our jungle, and I'll protect every life in it.
Our nest! It's falling!
Our eggs.
Are they safe? They're still whole, thank goodness. Oh, what happened here? Are you both all right?
Our tree broke in the storm. We don't know how to keep them warm now.
Don't worry. I'll protect them until you find a new home. Okay, the Whispering Falls are just past this ridge. If we stick to the plan, we should be there by sundown.
I hope they have snacks. I'm already starving.
Funny Kitten, I need your help with something important.
Me? Helping? This should be interesting.
Can you gather some soft leaves and spider silk to line the nest?
On it! Operation Cozy Eggs, activated!
Got it. This should keep them warm, right?
Perfect. Let's line the nest carefully.
What are those two up to now?
Just some eggs. Boring.
Watch over them. I'll be back soon.
Don't worry, nothing gets past me. Ooh, shiny! Just one quick look.
Perfect timing.
Hey! Get away from there! I wasn't doing anything.
Good work, Funny Kitten. Did anything happen?
Nothing I couldn't handle. From now on, I rule this jungle. Everyone answers to me.
This jungle doesn't belong to one kitten. It belongs to everyone.
We'll see about that.
He's getting bolder. We need to be careful.
I know, but we can't let fear rule the jungle either.
Leader Kitten!
Come look, something's happening.
Easy now, little one. Take your time. It's so tiny. Hello there, little friend. Oh, my baby.
Thank you both so much.
You really think that smile is going to protect them forever?
As long as I'm here, they're safe from you, Sly.
2 down, 1 to go.
Everyone loves the little hero, don't they?
Come on, little one, you can do it. All 3 of you, safe and sound.
We can never thank you enough.
New life always brings hope to the jungle.
If I can't rule with fear, I'll rule with leverage. What do you mean, boss?
The sun, it's taking so long to rise today. Has this happened before?
Only once, long ago.
The sun rises only after the elephants perform the sun dance.
And then the dog says, I thought I was the only one.
See, you always crack me up.
Enjoying the games, leader. Hope you're ready for the real challenge.
A tortoise, Perfect. Whoever controls the sun controls the jungle.
Tortoise, where are you hiding?
Boss, what if they find him first?
They won't. I intend to win this race.
There he is.
Not so fast. The tortoise comes with me.
This isn't about power, cruel black kitten. The whole jungle needs him.
Even in the heart of the city, the cycle of life continues, bathed in the warmth of the morning sun.
If the sun never rises, you lose too, cruel black kitten. There's no jungle left to rule.
Fine, but I'm watching.
Elder Tortoise, the jungle needs your memory of the sun dance.
It has been many years, but I remember.
Almost there. Just a little further, Elder Tortoise.
You found him! Please, show us the steps.
Left foot forward, trunk raised high, turn slowly toward the light.
Boss, if the sun rises now, our chance to rule slips away.
Then maybe it shouldn't rise so easily.
Fire! Watch out! Fire! Everyone run! Everyone to the water!
Kitty girl, help the elephants keep dancing!
Don't stop! The dance must be completed! A little more! Almost there!
Impossible! Asmui Plain. They actually saved it.
The dance is complete.
The sun remembers us. We did it! Sunshine for everyone!
We couldn't have done this without you.
And I couldn't have done it without brave hearts like yours.
This isn't over. I won't stop until this jungle bows to me.
This jungle doesn't bow to fear. It stands together. Boss, maybe it's time we stopped.
You too? Fine. I don't need any of you.
Maybe I don't have to follow him anymore. You don't have to be like him. You can choose differently. I'd like that.
Then welcome. Everyone deserves a second chance.
Careful now, little ones.
I'm really glad we decided to take this route today.
It's very peaceful. And look, we have company up there.
Hey, maybe they have snacks.
Look at them go!
It feels good to see the jungle at peace again.
As long as we look out for each other, it always will be. Don't worry, I've got you guys covered. We'll be safe under here until the sun shower passes. The jungle has room for everyone, even you, if you choose differently.
I'll think about it. Best celebration ever! And the sun's finally back too! They've grown so fast!
Thanks to the friends who never gave up on them.
This jungle isn't ruled by fear or power anymore. It's ruled by friendship, and it always will be, as long as we stand together.